In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a setup key manually in Google Authenticator on desktop. First, a quick note. So we're on the same page. There isn't an official Google Authenticator desktop app from Google. The official app is mobile only. What we'll do instead is use a desktop authenticator tool or browser extension that's compatible with Google Authenticator style codes. These tools follow the same process and produce the same type of 6-digit time-based codes. Before you begin, have the website where you're enabling two-factor authentication open in your browser. On the site's 2FA setup page, look for the option that reveals a setup key. It's usually a link that says something like "Can't scan" or "Enter key manually." That key is what you'll copy into your desktop authenticator. Now switch to your desktop authenticator tool or extension. Open it and find the option to add a new account. This is often labeled Add Account, or it may be a plus icon. You're creating an entry that will hold the secret key and generate your codes. Choose the manual entry option. Different tools may word this slightly differently, such as manual entry, enter key, or enter setup key. They all mean the same thing. You're going to paste or type the secret key from the website into the authenticator. Enter an account name. This label is optional, but it's helpful. Use a name that clearly identifies the site, so if you add more accounts later, you can tell them apart at a glance. Paste or carefully type the setup key provided by the website. Take your time here. The key is often long, and extra spaces or missing characters will cause errors. Most tools accept the typical format without special settings. They default to 6-digit, time-based codes that refresh every 30 seconds, which is exactly what most sites expect. Save your new entry. As soon as you save, the authenticator should start generating 6-digit codes tied to that key. If you don't see a code, double-check the key you entered and make sure your computer's clock is accurate. Since time-based codes depend on the system, time to match the website. Head back to the website's 2FA setup page and enter the current 6-digit code shown in your authenticator. Type it in before it refreshes. If the site rejects the code, wait for the next one to appear. Confirm you're using the correct account entry and try again. That's it. Keep your setup key and codes private. And remember that many sites provide backup codes during setup. Those are for account recovery if you ever lose access to your authenticator.